Hi, I'm Kellie Haines. I'm a professional storyteller, ventriloquist, and puppeteer for stage and television, and I've been working with puppets in schools for over 30 years. And I have discovered how puppetry engages students, builds confidence and self-esteem, and we are excited to offer virtual field trips into the exciting world of puppetry and ventriloquism in student-driven, fun workshops delivered to your classroom. Students will learn that a puppet can be made out of just about anything. A puppet can take a breath, and we can learn how a simple gesture can convey an emotion. And a big part of all this is play, because through creative play, learning happens, and that's very exciting. Each workshop is custom tailored to your grade's curriculum connections, kindergarten to grade 7.
Kellie!
Yes, what?
Workshops, Kellie. I heard workshops.
I know, virtual workshops. On the computer. See?
Ah!
I knew that. I know you did.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.